After your initial start, the device will prompt you to provide additional breath samples as long as your vehicle is on, even if it's in park. This additional testing is required by the state. Your device will beep when a retest is required. An icon and text will also appear signaling a retest is required. Even though the beep is quite loud, it's a good idea to keep your radio volume fairly low and windows up so you don't miss it. You are required to provide a breath sample anytime the device asks you for a retest, but it's also important that you do so safely. Most states will allow 4 to 6 minutes to provide the retest. This will allow you to find a safe time to provide a breath sample. If you're unable to find a safe time to provide a breath sample while driving, you can pull off to the side of the road. If you fail to provide the random retest or do not provide a passing sample, your vehicle will not turn off, but your horn and lights may activate, signaling you to pull over and turn your vehicle off. Depending on your state regulations, you may enter into a temporary lockout. You will be able to restart your vehicle after the vehicle has been turned off or the temporary lockout expires. In both cases, you must provide a passing breath sample to restart your vehicle.